Right here is a power cable and the cigarette lighter power adapter. What we want to do is take this USB-A connector and plug into the power adapter. And then on the other end you have this USB-C connector. Plug this into the power input port on the dash cam. Now when you plug this into your car's accessory port and turn on the ignition, this dash cam will turn on automatically. Right here is a rear camera. Now this rear camera is also 4K resolution at 30 frames per second. The viewing angle of this camera lens is 112 degrees. Now to connect this to a dash cam, there's a connector on the side here. Take this connector on the rear camera cable and connect it to the rear camera. On the other end of the rear camera cable, you have this connector with the mini USB connector. Plug this into the rear camera input port on the dash cam. Now one thing to note is this rear camera cable is a bit thick, and this can make installation a little bit more difficult if you have to tuck the wires behind the panel. So just something to keep in mind. Now to install this rear camera, remove the backing on this double-sided tape, and then you stick this directly onto the back window or a back panel. After you install it, you can rotate this to adjust the angle. Now let's power this on.
Hi, Miofive is here for you. Start recording.
Once it power on, it will start the recording automatically. Now this dashcam will record both the front and rear camera simultaneously while you're driving. Now right here is the live view of the front camera, and this small window shows the rear camera view.